Hello, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I posted a video that was total AI. Sounded like a machine, didn't it? So I thought I'm going to do a little bit of bitty one here and explain what I was doing. The basket wire and moss 14-inch hanging basket is what we're going to be planting in. These are the seeds that we'll be planting, will be germinating first. And I will show you my germinating procedure. I had a video a while back. I can put that on here so you can go back and take a look at it. And then we'll do the seeds, and after they germinate, it takes a while for these, especially Impatiens. You got to be patient for the Impatiens. Anyway, I made these baskets when I had my greenhouse business, and I made them in 18-inch, and they were so popular because I sold to wholesale to a golf course, and they had a fine banquet hall type thing, and they hung their 18-inch baskets on those in that banquet hall outside area. And when they had weddings, the people wanted their wedding pictures taken alongside. Well, they were up higher, but they cascaded down so far that they wanted their wedding pictures using those baskets. So if you want to get into this basket thing with me, follow along. In a couple of weeks, I'm going to have my first video, waiting for a couple more seeds to come in, and then we'll start on it. If you found this information useful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.